What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a free and disposable email address. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Using a temporary email address is a great way to protect your primary email from unwanted spam when signing up for online services, trials or newsletters. However, not all temporary email services are created equal, and some might not work as expected, especially on websites with strict email verification processes. Many websites have caught on and now block disposable email addresses, leaving you unable to sign up. It's imperative to use a reputable temporary email service. The one that works for almost every sign-up and which we recommend is Nator. It generates a disposable Gmail address that bypasses most sign-up filters, even on sites with strict filters against disposable email addresses. Head to emailnator.com to generate a new disposable email address. This service is straightforward to use and doesn't require any registration. Click on Generate New and copy the generated email address. Use it for the sign-up process where you need a temporary email. This could be a trial service, a newsletter, or any place you don't want to give out your primary email addresses. After signing up, return to the Emailnator site and enter the disposable email you used. Here, you'll find the verification email or any initial communication from the service you signed up for. Complete any verification steps required, and once verified, you can use the service as intended. And after a short period, the disposable email address will be automatically deactivated. This means you won't be able to receive any emails after 24 hours, and they'll be backed up for your viewing for an additional 7 days. This method is incredibly useful for testing out services or signing up for one-time use websites without compromising your email security or cleanliness. Remember, while disposable emails are convenient, they should be used responsibly and ethically, respecting the terms of service of websites you sign up for. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.